Hey everybody, welcome to our placeholder for week 2, lecture 2. Like Monday, we're going to do things a little bit differently today. So under each of your lectures, under each of your slide decks, you're going to find the video for that slide deck. So we'll just have a look so you can see where it is, because there's quite a lot of videos there today. So you can see there that we have a video symbol. So you're going to do these in order. So you're going to look at your introduction, then the scope of variables, and then loops. The help videos you'll do in whatever order you want. So if you need to look at them, look at them. If you don't need to look at them, don't look at them. So the help, the moving line and the bouncing ball, they're from your labs on Monday. And this chessboard is from tonight's lab. So again, this is where you come to after you have made an attempt. So again, coming back to your on-site, when John was talking about, that's the guy from Cargo, when he was talking about the help and doing his YouTube tutorials and stuff, he said that you shouldn't rely on them as much. So what we want from you here is to give it a go, and then after you've given it a go, and come back and have a look at the actual videos and see will they help. And if they don't help, give us a shout. That's what we're here for. So again, each of the videos will have, or sorry, each of the slide decks have their own video. So enjoy, keep in touch, ask loads of questions, and we'll talk soon.